Hi there, my name's James Lewis and I'm a lettering artist based in the UK. I'm here with Domestika today and I'm going to be painting this champion logo in 10 minutes. Let's get started. I'm starting with the really easy bit because usually when I'm painting at home, I do not have a timer on. I'm going to be doing this as quickly as I can, so please forgive me if I mess up. I'm going to try my best not to. And I'll definitely not be talking as much as I probably should because I'm going to be holding my breath a lot because I'm trying to get it real precise. If I was painting at home, I would have waited for this red to dry. We've got some colour bleed here, but I'm going to go back in. Hopefully we've got enough time at the end and tidy that up. Pressure's really getting to me. This is intense. We've got it. We've got this. Making it more intense for me. Now I've painted in some weird places. I've painted on stage at events and I've painted a mural with like 100 different people at the same time, but I can safely say that this is the most intense painting experience of my life. We're doing well, we're doing good on time. I can breathe now. Maybe 5 minutes would have been a harder challenge. I'm gonna go back in and tidy this up. We still got a bit of time. Did I make it look easy or did I make it look hard? Because for me, I feel like I'm not very happy with some of these shapes here. So I got time, I'm gonna go back in and tidy it up. I'm just tidying this up now. I'm pretty much finished, kind of happy with it. Made a few mistakes on the way because pressure got to me. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with it. I achieved that in about 5-6 minutes. So that was a very intense experience. I've never painted under time pressure before, but overall I'm kind of happy with the result. If you want to learn how to do lettering like this, I have a course over at Domestika right now called Brush Lettering. You should check that out. Also subscribe to this channel. I've been James Lewis. Thank you for watching.